everyone, my name is Aaliyah Wright, and here on this channel I talk about all things fashion, travel, scholarship, and some deals. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the deals that I got from the Stein Mart closing sale. Yes, some of the bags that I picked up, some of the clothes, and a few unconventional things. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. Ladies, sleepwear, tanks, okay, so first up I have this jacket, size 12 from 9 West. I got this for $15 at the Stein Mart closing sale, and I actually needed a tan jacket because I only have two like professional tan jackets for like interviews, work, just things like that, professional looks. So I got this. This is cute. And it wasn't that bad shopping at Stein Mart. I would say towards the end when I started coming in, the lines did start to grow and more people would come to buy things as it started becoming 70-75% off. So yeah. Okay, let's see the handbag that I picked up. Okay, so this is the Michael Kors handbag that I was able to pick up. I got this for $60. This bag was $169 originally, and it had been marked down like almost half off, a little more than half off, like 60% I think. So I really love this color. Again, you're probably going to be seeing a lot of pinks and blushes, my favorite color. But I love the gold hardware and the look on the front where the band kind of just comes around from the back to the side. And then you have a strap to hook onto the purse. Let's see. Yep. So it hooks right onto the inside. And you can wear it as like a crossbody. Let's see. Let's get... There we go. Cute, cute, cute. The gold hardware pieces. The little MK on the front. It has room on the inside to store keys, lip gloss, AirPods, charger, wallet, money, cash, everything. Cards. And it has an inside little pocket too. For two inside pockets. Has a little monogram of Michael Kors on the inside. But love this color. It has feet at the bottom so the fabric isn't touching the floor or it doesn't get dirty. This right here, I have several Michael Kors bags. Actually, that'll be a story for another time. I actually worked for Michael Kors and interned for them. So that'll be another story time. But yeah, I like Michael Kors bags. So I'm glad I was able to pick this up and add to my collection. So let's see what those unconventional things were that I was talking about. All right, so these unconventional pieces are basically things for freshness as far as food goes, being more sustainable, eco-friendly. I did a Pier 1 review on how I got steel straws because I am moving away from plastic. I also bought a few Swell bottles. I am not using plastic water bottles as much. I'm just making the commitment to just continue to use my Swell bottle. And now I have these. These are reusable little insulated baggies. So these are meant for snacks. So instead of using the Ziploc bags made from plastic, you can use these and wash them out. They have a small one. Store fruits, store carrots, celery, grapes, chips, pretzels, candy. You can store all these great things in here, take it, and not have to throw out any plastic from any Ziploc bags. You have these to use over and over and over again. So these are just 2 pieces that I picked up that I think they were like, what, $5. Oof, $5. Okay. And I have this one. This is also from Eco One. I got their steel straws too. And this is the bento box. Side note, I actually want to go to Japan. So I need to start planning on that trip. But I watch a lot of anime. And in anime, you're going to see a lot of bento boxes because that's a part of Japanese culture. But yes, I got a bento box. I want to go to Japan to buy like some other ones that they have there. I see like the cute designs with the cats and everything. But yeah, this is also reusable. This is BPA free. This is how it looks on the front. And then basically if you have like rice, chicken, vegetables, you want to add fruits on the side, you basically push it down and voila. So cute. It's expandable. So I love that. And you just pop it back into place. It also comes with a little fork that you can eat with your food. Pack it up. Seal it up. There we go. And you are done. So just 2 pieces that I wanted to pick up, working on being more sustainable and contributing to polluting less to the world and landfills, and yeah, just being more conscious about how I impact the environment on a day-to-day. So I'm gonna show you guys the last piece. It's a lovely dress. It's a wrap dress and one of my favorite pieces. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. This is the last piece that I was able to get. This is from Klein. I'm definitely going to shop her more often to get more professional pieces, more workwear. I saw some stuff that they had in Lord & Taylor from Klein and I really loved it. So this is the wrap dress that I picked up. I love the color. I feel like it fits my body well. And listen, a Diane von Furstenberg inspiration of a wrap dress. Love it. You can wear it to a nice meeting, to work. It's very energetic, very bright, very playful. Again, love the color. Can pair it with a nice pair of heels. Whew. I enjoyed finding this one. Like sometimes it's hard for me to find dresses and this was a good pick for me. So this concludes my haul from Stein Mart. I can't believe they went out of business. I know they were a family-owned business. They've been around for 100-something years. Whew. Shopping that sale was not overwhelming, but it definitely was a lot for them to basically work category by category to get rid of everything, and just picking up some of the pieces that were really out there meant for me to have that I was able to get. So let me know if you shopped the closing sale from Stein Mart, what you were able to pick up if you did, and if so, tell me how your shopping experience was during the closing sale. Well, this concludes everything for me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.